Hey everyone, it's Sarah here today to talk to you about our Referral Rewards program. This is a program that we set up that allows our customers to earn 10% of all of the referrals that they send from friends, family members, or anyone else that they know. The way that it works is your friends call us, they give us your name, and then you're going to earn 10% of whatever they spend towards our residential retail services. These include our carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, tile cleaning, rug cleaning, air duct, or dryer vent cleaning. So for example, if your friend calls in, gives us your name, you're going to earn 10%. So if they spend $100, you're going to get $10 in the mail. This card will be sent to you to show you how much you've earned. It will again explain the program and then just have a dollar amount as to how much you can spend towards your next cleaning. So if you're a fan of AmeriClean and want to earn some extra money towards your future cleanings, we'd love for you to share our business and our services with any of your friends and family members. We look forward to taking care of you in the future, and as always, we just appreciate your support. Talk to you soon.